how I can...
What? That's not how you drive a Tesla. Maybe if you just paid attention during Tesla driving school, you would remember when they taught us how to use the yoke. Like, just buy a Model 3 if you want a wheel.